Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone, enable developer options, and make a quick backup so nothing is lost. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps or Installed Apps. This is where you'll target the system app. Make sure you disable automatic updates in both Play Store and the Security app to prevent reinstallation. You're not removing the app entirely yet. You're preparing the environment so the uninstall of the update is safe and reversible if needed. Now you go into the Apps App Info page and tap the three-dot menu, select Uninstall Updates. This reverts the system app to the factory version without needing root. If the option is grayed out, force stop the app and clear cache and storage, then try again. Sometimes a restart is necessary. You should see the app version drop to the original MIUI level. This removes only the updated package while keeping the core system files intact. Finally, reboot the phone to ensure services restart with the reverted app. After reboot, test the app to confirm normal behavior and only re-enable updates if you want them later. If the app misbehaves or crashes, clear app data and cache from App Info. If problems continue, restore your backup or perform a factory reset as a last resort. If you see updates reinstall automatically, double-check Play Store and Security app update settings to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.